Hello everyone, welcome to FX Academy. If you're completely new to Forex trading and you've been wondering how Forex works and how people make money in Forex, then this video is completely for you. In this beginner course, we'll be learning Forex from scratch using simple notes. As you see, these are simple notes, and using wheel chart examples. In the future, we shall be introducing wheel chart examples and practical examples so that you guys get to know what Forex is. So people be asking and wondering, what's Forex trading? Forex trading is a simultaneous act of buying one currency while selling another. The combination of these two currencies make up what's known as a currency pair. You should note that currencies are always traded in pairs. In Forex trading, we don't trade a single currency. We can't come and say we are trading the USD. We should trade it with another currency so that we make a pair. So always we trade currencies in pairs. You should know that. And you should know that each currency in a pair is represented by a unique 3-letter code, as I've written here, that the US dollar, USD, or the euro. So you should know that in Forex, most of the time, or always, these pairs are noted in a 3-letter code, and the first 2 letters in the code represents the country, and the 3rd letter represents the currency of that country. For example, here we're having the JPY. The first 2 letters of the JPY represents the country, which is Japan, and Y, which is the yen. So JPY is the Japanese yen. Also with AUD, the first 2 letters is Australia, and the D is a dollar. So we should know that in Forex, we represent currencies in a 3-letter code. And then we should also know that prices of that currency pair are known as rates. We can't specify the real money or the currency for the price, because it's a pair consisting of 2 different currencies. So we take them as rates. And they express the value of one currency in terms of the other. For example, a price or a rate in the euro dollar or the euro USD could be quoted as this. You should know that the currency to the left in Forex, we prefer that as a base currency, and the currency to the right of the slide is known as the quote currency. And being given a currency pair, and its rate, the rate, all this is given a full name, which is a currency notation. So looking at this currency notation, we can see that 1 unit, a moment. Looking at this currency notation, we can see that 1 unit of the base currency, which is the euro, 1 unit of euro is equal to 1.23700 US dollars, which means to buy 1 euro, someone must be having 1.23700 dollars to get that. So if you're selling, the Forex rate specifies how many units of the quote currency you get in exchange for 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, the rate tells us that you will receive 1.23700 US dollars when you sell 1 euro. Hope you understand that. And guys, you should be pausing and take notes of these stuff. Get a pen and write these short notes, because you need them in the future. Now, understanding the currency codes. Understanding, as I told you guys, all this is a a currency notation because it has a currency pair. It has the rates. As I told you, the currency on the left is a base currency, and the currency on the right is a quote currency, and this is their rate, meaning that one must be having 1.35361 US dollars to get 1 euro, or you sell 1 euro to get this. As you, I hope you guys understand me. Now, without talking much, let's first get a Euro USD currency pair chart and see how it is done and how it looks like on the Forex charts. Okay guys, this is the Euro USD pair and this is its chart, the technical chart. I call it a technical chart because this is where traders make analyses. So this is the Euro USD. It's a currency pair. As you see, as I told you earlier, that we trade currencies in pairs, and we denote them in a unique three letter code. You see that each currency is in a three unique letter code. It's having the Euro, the USD, of which the first two letters represents the country and the third letter represents the currency of that country. Now, this is the rate, the one that you see, the 1.15342. This is the current rate of this pair. So, and basically, now people are wondering, why are they moving down and others are moving up? We shall see that in the later on videos. So, and how do we make profits here? We make profits by either selling, because you see here we're having a selling button, or buying, also having a buying button. So, do we make money when prices are moving down, or do we make money when prices are moving up? So the good news in Forex trading is that we make money either way, whether it's moving down or moving up. So basically, looking at this, let's assume we are buying. So, assuming that we bought this Euro USD at the current price rate from here, and then our target, our take profit was here, and good enough, let's say we assume that prices eventually moved upwards. So when prices move up and make this movement, the price movement, like from here where we brought and then it goes up, then we've made money. That's how people make money. But either way, as a business, as any other business, if these prices go against you, like you bought and then they've continued downwards in another direction, then you make a loss. As I told you earlier, like Forex trading is a business, a real business. You can make profits and make losses, and it's a very, very risky business. However, with the correct mentorship, you'll be good to go. Now guys, let's stop from here and wait for the next video. And then in the next video, I'm going to explain what the major currencies are, the major currencies that we trade in the Forex market that are good for you as a trader. Not that every currency pair that you've heard of is a good pair for you. And then please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that bell button, subscribe, like, and so that you don't miss out any other thing.